Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing review. Today I'm checking out the CryoForce CF-1. This is a cold therapy system for like knee replacements. Compact, got a nice little handle on here. We have some instructions. Check out the inside there. We got an insulated, basically waterproof thing. We have the motor here in the bottom. That's like kind of held on there with Velcro. Here's our waterline hookups here on the back. Okay, so here we have this nice long cord here. So that's nice if you are unable to move around because of a knee replacement surgery or some other thing where it's always, of course, convenient to have your cord. So this is about 6 feet just out with the cord. And then we have an additional cord here that's going to plug in here. We have our remote. So basically we just sit here, kick it on the couch or wherever you're comfortable, and it's got the 10, 20, or 30 minutes, time on, time off, the flow rate, the loop, high, medium, and low. So a lot of nice features on there. All right, and here is the pad. So this can go, it's basically meant for the knee. We have all this area here. You see the cold water is gonna flow through and basically touch on all those points in there. So that's just going to consistently just flow through there and keep everything nice and regulated as far as the temperature that you want. Here we also have Velcro on here. So this is very, very customizable. This sticks on there very easily. We have our stretchable Velcro thing here. So we wrap that around your leg, put that on there however you want. And then we also have, let's see, these cords. This water line is about 6 feet too. It's going to just plug right into here. Something like this it can go all the way around your arm. And also, like if you are using an ice pack, those can be kind of hard. So I've used like actual ice packs before where they're frozen. Sometimes you get the gel ones, but those are still pretty stiff. And you put them on there, especially if you have a sensitive area, it can hurt. It's kind of like pushing like that bruised area or something like this. Something like this, it's very pliable. It's not going to be like a hard impact on there. So that's another advantage. And also just the fact that it's going to be able to regulate that temperature a lot better and keep it more consistent instead of like ice, just putting ice on there and letting that melt. Just a bag of peas or something, the water condenses on the outside. So you wrap it with a towel too. So there's a little downside to all that stuff. So this isn't going to have water all over the place. Okay, this just plugs right in there. If you want to release it, you can just press that and that pulls it out. So very simple to work with. No messing with difficult things to plug in. And then this is all you do for this. Just plug it in right there. All right, so here we go. Just filled up with some ice. And we got water in there so we can see we're at 4.5 degrees Fahrenheit. So pretty chilly in there. So we can see there is the device. We don't really have a lot of water or air escaping actually. So it's 58 on my floor and 59 on here. So we can see not really any cool spots where there's the temperature escaping. So we can see it's pretty well insulated. It's really long. So we got like 3 different sizes of the elastic here. And this all sticks to this. Each strap sticks to this or the pad itself. And then we just bring this up. We want the flow. Let's see, start or stop has a button here. It's got high. Okay. So wow. I want to demonstrate this real quick here. So now I'm going to hit the start here and we're going to watch the cold water course through here. So hit start and it's on high right here. We can see. And see that blue? You can see already temperatures going through there. We have the minimum at 45, the high as at 80. So you can see that my leg is at 80 degrees And now we got 36 degrees dropping down on there. So hope you guys can see that well enough. I'm not sure. But yeah, here we have like the cold temperature right here. You can see that we're at 32 degrees right there. So the coldest is 32 here. And that's just really went through there quickly. And so this whole area is just basically right at 32 degrees, pulsing through this whole pad here. So it's a nice coverage there. We have the timer here. We can go to different modes that we want. We do the mode medium. You do low. We have our timer, so 10 minutes. We can have it turn off. We can have a loop on there. You can turn the time on, turn the time off. And basically different modes, it'll like kind of loop through there. It kind of increases the pressure a little bit and then goes down. So as it does pumping through there, I'm just gonna like listen. We'll do the increase the flow. I cannot hear the motor at all. It's completely silent. All right, friends. Well, this provides excellent, consistent, temperature-controlled, comfortable circulation of this nice cooling. So it's not going to fluctuate like high. It's not going to, your temperature is going to maintain the same. So you can regulate a little bit. If you can turn the flow down to medium and just a little bit lower flow going through there. But yeah, I like how it's consistent. This is not painful at all. It's very comfortable. The straps on here, I can adjust it to however I want to. So this doesn't have to be just wrapped around the leg. If you had some back pain, you could set this on the thing and either lay down on it or lean up against it on the couch, whatever you want. This is going to provide this nice temperature throughout and keep it consistent. So also what's nice about this thing is so thin. You can see that there's water, the water's going through here, but it's very thin. Heating pads can be kind of expensive because it's using like usually it's heating up the elements in there. So I would see this as being more efficient if you use this as a heating pad to pump like hot water through there and keep that regulated temperature too. Being that this is very nicely contained, as that's going to stay the same temperature for a long time. I would say several hours. I didn't see any heat escaping when I used my thermal camera on there. So guys, if you're looking for a sweet little device here, whether you want a nice cold pack on there for recovery or you want the heat option also, that is doable, I believe. It's very easy to use, very quiet, and it does an excellent job. Plenty of cord here. If I'm sitting on my couch or on my bed or anything like that, there's got plenty of room here. So these are all malleable, very easy, not really getting pinched either. So I think it has like kind of an anti-kink thing there. So obviously if you're going to pinch on it, it's going to kink, but overall it's not like if I just throw it down there, it's not kinking or anything like that. This is also, it has the insulation around that, so there's not a lot of heat or cold air, coolness escaping from that as well. So very handy, my friends. I think it's a great device, very quiet. Okay, so we can see on the chair where I was sitting, the temperature there down the right-hand corner is 79. That's the warm. And then the ice is 45. So I'm going to hit start here. And we're going to see the flow. I'm going to switch the flow to high. And that should be going up as, oh, okay. Yeah. Look at that. See the water is flowing through there. And this, we can see how it regulates through there already. So the temperature is changing. And you can see it's pumping the water through there. Already we're at 103. Okay, 113, 115. As far as for like a heating pad, that is nice. So we got the nice warm water coursing through there now. And whether you want to just like put that on, you need to, you can already feel that like automatically. So this works great as well. And yeah, just super impressed with this, guys. Anyways, I thought I'd just test that out to see how well it would work, and it works excellently. Not only is this like small and compact, has all these pockets on here so you can store everything nicely. So if you were gonna put it away, maybe you were done for a while and you weren't using this, you could simply put everything inside once you dry it out, make sure it's all dry. You don't want any moisture or anything in there. But a lot of people also use this on a, more of a daily basis, or, every few, like 12 hours or something like that. So it also has, you can put all your little, like the cords and everything in the little pockets here. And then with these little straps here, I have a clip on this side and a clip on this side. So if I put my pad like that, wrap this around here, and it just makes it nice and convenient to be tucked out of the way, no long wires in the way, and no one's going to be tripping over that. And then you just secure that with the little things like that. So zip this up a little bit, and there you have it. So very convenient that is there. Another thing I want to point out real quick, this features the easy peeling Velcro. So you'll notice that like some Velcro is like really difficult to take off. I mean, you really have to pull on it. Now it comes off pretty easily, strong enough to where it's not gonna come off of there, but easy enough to where when you need to remove it, it just pulls right off. So it's a really nice feature. I mean, some Velcro you put on there and it's like crazy hard. So I like that it's strong enough. Like if you're gonna put it on the side, that's not gonna come off. It's got plenty of strength there, but when you need to remove it, just simply pull it off. So very, very nice, especially if you're working with like people that have not too much strength or whatever. It makes it easier for them to remove the Velcro also. So that's very cool. And one final thing that they're working on for these is an external battery pack. It might last up to 12 hours on a single charge. So that is like even more convenient. You don't have to plug in the wall. Maybe if you're in a car or somewhere away from plug-in or something like that. Well, friends, final thoughts on this. Whether you're using it for overnight cold therapy, for knee replacement, where if you set it for the timer, hey, the doctor says you need this a certain amount of time on it, and then you can set it with the timer. Hey, I want to go for 20 minutes and then off, or half hour and off, so you don't have to worry about falling asleep and it's just continuously going and you wake up and your legs frozen or something like that. I don't know, but very quiet, very comfortable, maintains the temperature a long amount of time, insulated, easy to carry around. Lightweight, compact. It looks cool, easy to carry around even when it's full of water. Just a great either cold or hot therapy system. Yeah, I was really impressed with it. I was impressed with literally how quiet it is. You can't hear anything. I couldn't hear it at all. Maybe if it was completely silent, you might be able to hear just the faintest of motor sounds. Also, when you take the wires off, I guess there's some kind of internal valve in there because water doesn't come out of the heating or the pad area or the water lines either. So that's very cool. All in all, my friends, just a great choice for like knee recovery, your ice pack needs or heating pad needs. So very cool. Anyways, thanks for watching this review, my friends. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll catch you next time.